video. I'm Polly. I like to see my pictures. Always want to subscribe my channel. Let's just go to the Polly Pocket like this. And always subscribe my videos so much like this. And subscribe then too.
Yes.
And always subscribe my pictures. It's so much of my fans.
fishball.
Let's go.
Daddy,
Oh, yeah.
fishball.
Oh yeah.
Daddy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like the stars explore, like butterflies sing. You want the world to shake with my eyes. To be that far away, far away, far away from me. We like the butterflies, we're singing with me. It's life. You want to be, hearts to be my favorite in my shine. Shine up, my clap, my hands up. Hands. We like to dance together, see and subscribe. Yeah, we going down. I like to be first the color. Like to be first the color. Yeah. Rainbows, clouds are shining up. Whoa, rainbows shining up in my eyes to see. Let's go with a ding. I like the stars to be fly up. I like the stars to be fly up. Hearts to wants to be my eyes. It's nice to be shine. It's my face to be a talk together. Bob shine. We holding our hands together. We holding our hands together. We are a children in the world we see. I show you my classmates' names to see. Oh yeah. This is my teachers and my classmates. This person my last year. Tita China, Tita John, and Elsa, Ellie, Funky, Gab, Ethan, Clever, Robbie, Pau, Martina, and Whitney, and Wellington. Subscribe my videos so much. Subscribe my pictures, subscribe my videos so much. And awesome. You have some fire, and you have some alcohols, and sunny days. Let's make you fire, and always the firefighter help you. You want my story? My teacher's name is Teacher Pat, Teacher Carl, Teacher Christian, and Teacher Kyle. And my other classmates is
if you have sunny days and alcohol and sunny days,
I
it
ready for
creates
that.
what does it create?
Fire. That's my family.
Daddy, can you have fishballs? Please. I'm wanting to eat fishballs.
Let's go na. Saan si Tita Jam?
Oh no!